Welcome back to the GSM workshop. I have a new project in the shop which is pretty nice, and you'll see in a second what it is. So I'll give you a clue. It is a Jaguar. Let me get up here and we'll switch cameras and we'll show you exactly what we got here. Yes, it's a 1970, I believe, Jaguar XKE or E-type. It came to me a couple of weeks ago. Got brought down to go on a trailer. I just cleaned it up a little bit because it was really dusty and a lot of road water damage, if you like, over it. So this is in the workshop now. Luckily, I'll zoom you out a little bit here. Luckily, the bodywork has been done on this one, and it's come to me to put it all back together again. So, beautiful car. It's a, it's not a plus two. It is a coupe, and we'll do a walk around. So it came to me. The wheels, rims are in here. This is a dashboard mat. And you'll see inside, push that up. So this is going to be another nut and bolt restoration. Everything's going to be almost brand new on it. Again, we've got the dash cap cover. It's been painted. It needs correcting, but that's okay when we're finished. Around the front. As you see from my other videos, I have the engine here, which I'll go to in a second, but everything is new on it. Suspension unit, shock absorbers, everything is new. Calipers, rotors, steering rack, all the brake lines. It's going to be all new. As you can see down here, everything is brand new so far. So it's come to me to be finished off. So I mean things like these brake reservoirs probably be replaced with new items. The brake servo probably going to be new, we'll see. And all the other bits and pieces that go on in here. And it's kind of interesting to see, if you've never seen inside a Jaguar without the engine, it's how it looks with its square tube frame. Very interesting. Go around this side. You can see the lines of a car. Down here I've got the fuel tank to go in. It's on my lift right now. Go around the back. So we can do a rear view. Dry shafts, everything's been powder coated as well. Nice. Underneath here are all the doors, all two of them. Around here. Here's the engine, which I have previous videos on, how I rebuilt it. The progress on there. So now we're at the stage where we can start thinking about how it's all going to go back together again. I still have a gearbox to rebuild, which is around here somewhere in a box. Workshop's been a little bit of a mess, been really busy. Underneath this paperwork, or paper, and boxes and things, we have the transmission in here. I was quite surprised how small it is. But anyway, the original 4-speed is going back in. Here we have a bell housing, flywheel, starter motor, and so on. The rear subframe has already been rebuilt, most of it anyway. You can see here it's all been powder coated, new rotors, new calipers, everything's all been painted up. So that's good to go. Not quite ready to go back in, but we're close to it. And what else have I got to show you? right now. Not a lot, really. So this is the same owner as who owns the Land Rover next to me. I'm going to do a video on that one as well, right after I've done this. So, if you like, please subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff as we make progress on this car. Really looking forward to this one. It is a prestigious car to have in a workshop, for sure. I'm quite honoured to have it here and get it built. By the way, the bonnet is still at the owner's. It's rather a big piece, as you know, and I got limited storage here. So we decided to keep it there until I'm ready to put it all back together again. And then we can have it back and hopefully we can have it running and going down the road. So again, nut and bolt restoration takes time and money. So follow us and like, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.